Welcome to our guide on transforming small spaces into enchanting garden landscapes that will leave you feeling inspired and rejuvenated. Join us as we explore creative ideas to maximize every inch of your outdoor haven. Hey there, garden enthusiasts. Are you ready to embark on a journey to unlock the full potential of your petite outdoor oasis? Fantastic! Let's dive right in and unleash your inner landscape artist. Let's kick things off with the magic of vertical gardening. When space is limited, why not think vertically? Embrace the beauty of the walls by adorning them with a tapestry of plants, utilizing wall-mounted planters, hanging baskets, and trellises. Vertical gardening not only adds a splash of green to your space, but also creates a captivating focal point, turning an ordinary wall into a living work of art. It's like having your very own botanical masterpiece. Next up, let's talk about crafting cozy nooks. Transform even the smallest corners into intimate retreats by strategically placing comfortable seating, adorned with plush cushions and throws, amidst a backdrop of verdant foliage. These cozy nooks serve as inviting havens, perfect for unwinding with a good book, sipping tea with friends, or simply basking in the beauty of nature. It's all about creating a sanctuary that speaks to your soul. Now, let's delve into the wonderful world of container gardening. Containers offer boundless opportunities to unleash your creativity, allowing you to cultivate an array of plants, herbs, and flowers in the most unexpected places. From quaint pots and repurposed vessels to whimsical crates and baskets, the possibilities are endless. Mix and match textures, colors, and heights to fashion your own botanical wonderland that reflects your personal style. No garden is complete without the soothing presence of water. Introducing a small fountain, bird bath, or miniature pond can transform your outdoor space into a tranquil haven, attracting birds and fostering a sense of serenity. The gentle murmur of flowing water creates a symphony of tranquility, inviting you to pause, reflect, and connect with the rhythms of nature. It's a sensory experience that rejuvenates the mind, body, and spirit. Last, but certainly not least, let there be light. Illuminate your garden with whimsical lighting, transforming it into a captivating wonderland that dazzles by day and enchants by night. String lights, lanterns, and solar-powered fixtures add a touch of enchantment to your outdoor space, creating a cozy ambiance that beckons you to linger under the stars. It's pure magic. And there you have it, inspiring garden landscaping ideas for small spaces that elevate your outdoor experience to new heights. With a dash of creativity and a sprinkle of imagination, you can turn even the tiniest of spaces into a botanical paradise. Thanks for joining me on this journey, and may your gardens bloom with joy and wonder.